All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here. Proud to present this 2018 Chevy Colorado. It is the LT model, beautiful 4x4 V6 black with the gray interior, I believe, alloy wheels, premium sound system, stereo controls, backup camera. Super nice, and best of all, minimal damage on the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper does have a dent here with some paint off, about 3 to 4 inches. Boom. Boom. What else? The grill is cracked here, about 2 to 3 inches. Got another little light dent over here, about 2 inches. Other than that, we look pretty good. Your hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread is over 730 seconds. Actually, almost at 11. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Your tire thread over 10-30 seconds. Nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. It does come with 1 key and 1 key fob and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM stereo system. All that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side, as well as this side. This is what your stripping cluster looks like. You see no lights on it except for airbag light, and your mileage of 3,405 miles. Looks good. Got your 4x4 action. Turn on the lights. Very nice. Keep it moving. Here is your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Keep it moving. Got a little step there, which looks dope. That's pretty cool. Back looks pretty cool. Here's a nice shot over here. Trunk space. Boom. Or cargo space, or whatever you want to call it. Your bed. This quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. I don't see any curbing here. Tire thread over 730 seconds. Some dirt. This is actually curbed about 3 inches there. This door looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. I'm sorry, not your rear passenger seat. This door looks pretty good. I thought I just saw a dent. There's a little ding right there. Alright. The rest of the door looks pretty good. Here's the other side of the front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front fender looks pretty good. Front passenger rim looks very nice. I don't see curbing on this one. Your tire thread is over 10-30 seconds. Pretty much completes the tour. Lights are working. Car is on. Folks, once again, this is a beautiful 2018 Chevy Colorado LT model 4x4 with only 3,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.